Hi everyone and welcome back to SuperWheelslogin. Today we will see the new 2026 Honda XL750 Transalp.
Skill, precision, and speed. In my sport, every twist and turn opens up endless possibilities. This is where I truly excel, exploring new territories. People come to the mountains to escape, but I come here just to be me.
The Honda XL750 Transalp 2026 takes the stage at EICMA, equipped exclusively with the innovative e-clutch electronic control system. This technology automatically controls clutch operation without the need for the rider to operate the clutch lever, which remains in place nonetheless. Other updates for the 2026 model year include a skid plate, now fitted as standard, and fully adjustable Showa suspensions. The Honda XL750 Transalp 2026 complies with Euro 5 regulations. Its parallel twin engine delivers 92 horsepower and 75 Nm of torque, while an A to license compliant 35 kilowatts version is also available. The throttle-by-wire system offers 6 riding modes, 2 of which are fully customizable. Riders can choose among 5 levels of HSTC traction control integrated with wheelie control, 3 levels of power delivery, and 3 levels of engine braking. The frame is made of steel, while the braking system features 310mm front discs with dual piston calipers. Completing the technical highlights are the spoked wheels, 21 inches at the front and 18 inches at the rear. The Honda XL750 Transalp 2026 comes in 3 new color options, all featuring updated and exclusive graphics.